I'm gonna do National Fried Chicken Day, which is July 6th. It's a tribute to a very special man, Kevin Hart. And he is born July 6th, and I believe he's born in Philly. So we're gonna do 8 fried chicken variations. I have 8 different dips and sauces. This I'm gonna throw in there, and lime. You know what? Fried chicken and lime. Gonna let it go there. I don't know why I'm doing that because the spices are in here, but I'm gonna add some extra spice. I just got this smoky sweet Hot Ones Los Calientes. So what I'm gonna do is I might not even bread the stuff with this shaker. Why would I discount it? Oops. I'm gonna do something special. And I got it. I'm gonna get some pineapple, because Los Calientes. Let me get this thing in the pan. It's thick, so it might have to go a little longer. What I'm doing is I'm cinching this. There's not enough heat because knowing my luck, I have probably had it at 1 and I'm looking over, I do. I'm gonna think about how I'm gonna do this sandwich because this should actually be a fast fry. And if you're talking fast fry, why don't I just make it a little faster for everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sandwiches. This is good. Uh-oh, lots of smoke coming out of there. And while that's happening, I can't keep up because I got orders coming out of my ears. I realized why it's getting loud in here because I turned on all the elements. I've got clean oil in here. That's what the noise was. I don't know what elements are working, what's not. I'm out of my element. What I did was I tried to be really different here. Like, oh, let's get ready, Rick. We're gonna make it professional. You're gonna have 4 pans and they're all gonna be boiling. Well, what happens is, I'm looking right now, these lights are going on and off. Like it's like, you're in Philly, there's a red light, there's a yellow light. You don't know what's going on, and that's what's happening with these elements. You know how when you go to these restaurants, I can never understand it. When they say, do you want your fried chicken spicy or not? That's extra steps. And you know what, we're gonna do a 50-50 oil, a hot oil. There you go. Woo! This was a brilliant idea. That noise you're hearing is that pot that I just got here. That element is nuts. So I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna bring it over here. I just put this over here. So what am I gonna do now? This is nuts. Maybe there's too much hot sauce, so I'm gonna transfer it over here. And there's your hot pot. All right, while that's going on, I came here to fry a sandwich. Why don't we do a transfer? And this, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna put this thing back because it's not gonna boil as bad if I try to find a different home for it. And there goes my fire alarm. What I realized is I'm gonna burn the house down. That one in the end is where the problem is. It's just burning off oil. Yeah. So here's the guilty party, guys. I'm gonna take it outside. All right, I'm not dead yet. I don't know what the hell's going on. Can't breathe. These actual elements are just in and out. This is the craziest. I didn't plan this, but we gotta eat. I can't breathe. All right, I'm dying. I was wondering, why am I fucking choking? Like, what's going on here? I'm just gonna retool and I'm gonna show you what the hell actually happens in a cooking show, okay? Like it's, you know, what the hell? I guess the fire alarm's over here, I didn't even know. Oh, it stopped. There you go. Maybe that's the thing, if I lean over, it stops. All right. We got all the bells and whistles, as you see. Now, that's back on. Extra knife. This thing can go. No, it can't. Because absolute chaos here. But I am going to do something nice, as promised, for Kevin Hart, the Philly special. The Philly friggin' special. Let's have this guy here, because knowing my luck, I'll drop it. I'm actually enjoying the fire alarm, the noise. If this is a Philly special, that's what we gotta do. I didn't know that I have 2 alarms. There's 2 going off now. And this is stuck, so that's not good. And what's missing for this? You know what's missing? Bit of cream cheese. And the cream cheese is not sticking. Why don't I do this? I'm gonna actually just do one sandwich. One of these. So you can see this work of beauty. Everything's going off, guys. The wheels have completely fallen off. What are all these noises? What's that noise, Dan? Is that the alarm? I think Dan's checked out on us. I'm gonna try my sandwich maker. There it is. Kevin Hart, this is in your honor. And I'll see you in a minute. Will this work? We'll know right now. I think I know what's missing. Someone's at the door now. And Dan, someone's at the door?
Yeah. I think it's firefighters.
Tell the guy to come in for a drink. They saved my life last week. I got a sandwich for them. Hey, come on in. Can you sneak through?
I got all my gear on.
Oh, do you?
This is an awesome setup.
I was the guy that founded Wild Wing.
Oh.
Yeah, so now I sold that company, and I'm going to start something. See the red shirt? I'm going to give it to you guys here. It's a souvenir. It's the dog. So here, I'm going to give you the shirt. One of you guys can take it, because I give everything away. Who golfs? I got 7 sandwiches. I'm not going to eat them. Do you guys want a sandwich each? It takes me a minute.
We just ate
Fried chicken. Yeah, I didn't know that this was going to happen. I get this kind of love, right? So how can I apologize? Like, yeah. So what's going to happen now? I get 7 subscribers to the Wingman Show.
Now we're looking up for the Wingman Show.
Yeah, if you just put my name, ricksmiklis.com, the YouTube link's there.
Yeah.
So it's just, yeah, you guys will love it. There's 300-400 hot sauces. So if you guys tell me where your department is, I'll bring you guys down food, swag, hot sauces.
We'll check it out for sure.
Yeah, because now after I do these cooking videos, I'm going to be doing stuff to show people how to build a business from scratch. So yeah, but this wasn't planned. Like, get the fire department. I'm wondering what the fuck is going on. Like, it's, sorry guys.
No worries.
See you guys. All right. You know, in the plumbing business, shit runs downhill and payday's Friday. We just had 11, I counted them, 11 firefighters show up here. And I'm like a deer in the headlights. I don't know what's going on. Da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na-na, beat it. So let's just eat this in Kevin Hart's honor. And when I'm talking about Kevin Hart, he is on fire. Oh. Wow. Really, really good. You know what? The butter on the Martin's Petite potato roll is what makes it. I don't know how to explain this. There's 1 or 2 things missing. I'm not going to do the other sandwiches. You guys were here. You witnessed it all. So let's just have a bit of fun with this one. I would put on a bit of slaw. So let's do this. You know what? It's good. I love it. With the coleslaw, it's so good that I don't have to worry about the rest of the fried chicken. You know what? I thought it was going to do 8. This is enough. Fried chicken. Kevin, no better way on National Fried Chicken Way. This is the way. Oh, and you know what? Look at these little bonuses I've been putting in here. You see that Philly special cream cheese? This is on fire. That's what we should call it. In honor of the fire department, this thing is absolutely on fire. This is the way life should be. You're filled with love. Gertie, I have a bit of cooked chicken for you. You know what? That's the best part about eating. We can do it together. Right, Gertie? Right? And look, I don't treat you any different. I keep it nice and clean and lean and mean and... Right, Gertie? Look at that. Nice little bit of chicken for you, eh, Gertie? Look at that, Gertie. We're going to put you up here so you can close out the show. Hey, Gertie, come on up. Come on up, Gertie. There you go. Come on up. There you go, Gertie. Gotta love it. I'm loving this. The dog didn't bark once. I think that's the key. Burn down the house. So I think we're going to end this with one thing. Just a simple tip. This is how you hold a glass. And that's how you do it. Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday, Kevin. That's Kevin Hart. God bless. God bless America. Kate Smith. Broad Street Bullies, Philly Special. Happy birthday. Thank you. That's it.